Hello med nursologists, you're watching Scientific Medico Nursologist YouTube channel. Today's video is for BSc Nursing second semester students. In this video, we're gonna discuss about the applied nutrition and dietetics and applied biochemistry subjects. First point, RGHS based important questions. At the end of this video, you will get important RGHS exam tips and plus calculation methods and average time frames, that is average time you should take to solve each 10 marks, 2 marks, 5 marks questions of this question paper to get passed in your degree examination. So watch the video completely without skipping. This video is very important for your exams. Skipping this video may directly affect your degree examination scoring marks. So watch the video till the end. So in this particular video, we're going to discuss about these 4 points. So let's start the video. So before discussing important questions of applied biochemistry subject, firstly let's discuss the syllabus and blueprint of applied biochemistry subject. First, to get briefly idea about major topics to study, chapter wise important questions, weightage of marks per unit of the syllabus. With this syllabus and blueprint, you will be easily understand the important questions briefly. There are 8 units in applied biochemistry single subject, which includes Unit 1 carbohydrates, Unit 2 lipids, Unit 3 proteins, Unit 4 clinical enzymology, Unit 5 acid base maintenance, Unit 6 heme catabolism, Unit 7 organ function tests, Unit 8 immunochemistry. So to watch full video of syllabus and blueprint, question paper layout, question paper pattern, click the link in the description. So in this video, we only discuss about the important questions in all the units of applied biochemistry subjects according to 5 marks, 2 marks, 1 marks, or according to parts of the question paper. So our applied biochemistry single subject question paper consists of 3 parts, which includes first part, that is short essay part, which carries 15 marks, where 5 marks for each question. Second part is short answers part, which carries 6 marks, where 2 marks for each question. Third part is MCQ part, which carries 4 marks, where 1 marks for each question. So firstly, let's start from the short essay part. Let's see from which all units 5 marks a question comes and how many 5 marks a question may come from the each units of the syllabus of applied biochemistry subject. So our short essay part consists of mainly 3 standard questions. All of these 3 standard questions will be asked in your degree examination, and that 3 standard questions will contain only 1 ordinary question each from the unit of the particular standard questions. So our first standard question is Unit 1, that is carbohydrates, and the ordinary questions in this unit are So our second standard question is Unit 2, that is lipids, and the ordinary questions in this unit are So our third standard question consists of Unit 3, that is proteins, and the ordinary questions in this second part is short answers part, which carries 6 marks, which consists of 3 standard questions. All of these 3 standard questions will be asked in your degree examination. So our first standard question is Unit 9, that is Unit 5 acid base maintenance, and the ordinary questions in this unit are So our second standard question consists of Unit 6 heme catabolism, and the ordinary questions in this unit are So our third standard question consists of Unit 7 organ function tests, and the ordinary questions in this third part is MCQ part, which carries 4 marks, consists of mainly 4 standard questions. All of these 4 standard questions will be asked in your degree examination. So our first standard question is Unit 1, that is second standard question consists of Unit 4 clinical enzymology, and the ordinary questions in this unit third standard question consists of Unit 5 acid base maintenance, and the ordinary questions in fourth standard question consists of Unit 8 immunochemistry, and the ordinary questions in this unit are As there is no long essay part in this subject, you need to read and write these 3 units completely and compulsory. Then you will get 15 marks, plus read some 2 questions in short answers part. You will get 19 marks. As in blueprint, which I was discussed in this video, you can see there is must to know and desired to know 2 sections. You should read and write must to know sections. All questions, it may be 5 marks, 2 marks or MCQ questions. If you follow this, you will get in short essay part 15 marks, and in short answers part you will get 4 marks. Totally you will get 19 marks. If there are some mistakes in answers, you may get less than 19 marks. So you should always read and write some extra answers. Either you should write answers in perfect way, or else you should solve and write some extra questions in 2 marks and MCQs, so that you can minimize the loosened marks due to some mistakes in your answers in short essay part. By writing extra answers, your marks will be stable and stick to near 19 marks. And with nutrition paper, you can get 45 plus marks in your degree examination. So by the way, time management is very important, and the timing to solve this biochemistry paper is already given in the timetable, that is 1 hour. So we have made an average timestamps or time frames for the time management to solve this question paper, that is 10 to 12 minutes you should take to solve each 5 marks questions, and 5 to 6 minutes to solve 2 marks questions, whereas 2 to 3 minutes you should take to solve each 1 marks questions, that is MCQ part. So this is the average time stamps or time frames to solve this question paper according to 5 marks, 2 marks, 1 marks questions. You can adjust timings based on your comfort level with topics and complexity of questions. Don't forget to monitor your time during your degree examinations to ensure you complete your paper on time. So with this average timestamps or time frames, you can easily manage your time in your degree examination to solve this question paper. So completely don't rely on these questions. These questions are made or based on predictions according to blueprint, that these questions may be asked or come in your degree examination, but it not fixed that only these questions comes in your degree examination, but questions comes from these units only, that is fixed. As this syllabus and blueprint is officially released by RGHS, these questions are just made to get idea about question structure, that is how questions can be structured for 5 marks, 2 marks, 1 marks in all the units of the syllabus of this subject. So just read everything about these units. So that's it. This is all about the important questions of applied biochemistry subjects, and plus how to get passed in your degree examination if you are not prepared for your exam till your examination date. If there are less time to your examination, you can easily score with these important questions and syllabus and blueprint. So just subscribe our YouTube channel. You will get everything that you need in our completing nursing school, and also share this video to your friends. It motivates us to work, bring some knowledgeable videos to you, and also watch our video. That is some important points to be remembered before writing RGHS examination. To download this syllabus and blueprint, question paper layout, question paper pattern, click the link in the description. Don't forget to watch the applied nutrition and dietetics subjects blueprint, syllabus and important questions with the link in the description. And also don't forget to watch the other subjects blueprint, syllabus and important questions by clicking the link in the description or clicking the I button.